Have you heard of a train station theory? Life is just like a train station. Some people might jump on the train as you're on that train. Some people might just jump off the train as you're on that journey. Some people might stay on your journey. Some might leave the journey. But that's okay. What really matters is, what really means from this theory is when to hold on and when to let go. It's okay. Sometimes some people are only there for a certain period of time, and each person is there to teach you a lesson, to teach you something. So the moral of this theory is it's okay to let go, because not everyone is on the same journey as you are.